Welcome to Hunter's Hangouts. Today, Santa's coming on a fire truck.
That's right. He's going to come through our neighborhood any minute now, right?
Yeah, in just a minute.
He's going to throw candy and all kind of stuff.
I need to get a candy bucket.
Yeah, we are. Okay.
Where is it?
I don't know. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go check him out. You want to say hi to Joss? Look at Joss.
He's ziplining.
Ziplining down.
I can literally reach
with Sonic.
I can literally reach the rope.
Oh, don't touch the string if it falls. All right, man. Let's go get ready for Santa. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, Hunter, so we're gonna get ready for Santa.
Yeah.
Santa's gonna be coming down our street, throwing candy canes. We got Joss over here already hanging. Hunter is going to blow up his chili snowman. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what it looks like. We gotta get all our blow-ups up. We're gonna turn them on in the yard. This chili snowman's gonna go. We got Christmas stuff ready. Breakfast is coming. Hunter's trying to eat candy, right?
I'm trying to get in that closet.
Trying to get in that cabinet up there.
Yep. We're gonna have to be careful of his bunny up there.
Yep.
Because this guy's over tall.
Oh, here comes the chili snowman. Look at him. He's freezing. Even though it's kind of warm outside right now for December. Look at him. He's just shaking away up there, huh? Whoa. Are you ready? We're gonna go get ready for Santa's coming, right? We gotta go blow up the other ones too. All right, now we're getting the other ones blown up in the yard. Hunter doesn't like putting the chili snowman outside because he likes it inside to hang out. Oh, the tree's coming on. Oh, here we go. We got a couple more out here. We got one in the window we're gonna do.
Yeah, it's the chili snowman.
When are we gonna put the chili snowman outside?
We're gonna pick him up.
Yeah, hold on. Let's get these up first. Hold on.
We gotta pick him up next.
It's kind of dewy this morning. It's all warm. Look at our tree.
Yeah.
It's covered in blue.
Yeah, those blues are a little bright.
Yeah, they're bright. That's what happens, huh?
Let's wait for these guys.
Let me see your pajamas, man.
These
The snowman everywhere.
Yeah.
The other snowman's gonna be in this window right here. So we don't want him wet right now.
No, he's already in there.
Yeah, well, we gotta go blow him up in a
We
second.
gotta get back there and wipe that off somehow.
Okay, well, that's not gonna happen because we got 3 snowmen sledding.
Oh, that guy.
Yep, here they come.
It was like he was focusing on the other guy.
He was sleeping.
There
Now they're waking up. They're waking up. His nose is all smashed up.
Yep.
This guy's snowboarding over here with a little penguin.
He's snowboarding.
What happened to this guy? His nose is smashed. Whoa, he's wet. God, they're covered in water.
Can I try?
No, you're gonna get your socks all wet. Look at that. It's just dewy. All right. Get this one. Yeah, we're gonna go get it done right now.
Mom's car's so wet.
I know. Look at this guy snowboarding it up. All right, let's go inside.
We got him blown up now.
Oh, we got the other skiing snowman. He's called Sporty Snowman. Oh, there's a box right there.
Yeah, that's his box.
6 foot tall.
Ew.
Gonna get this guy blown up in the window. You need to take him out to the yard too. Huh?
No, I like him right here.
You do?
No one can even.
They can see him, especially at nighttime whenever it's all lit up. But yeah, that's the outside windows. so dewy this morning.
Yeah. That will always dry off.
Yeah. All right, snowman, come on.
No, I'm helping him.
Get him.
Stop it. Okay.
He's ready to go.
Yeah, he's all dirty from last year, right?
No, he's clean. That's right. That's what we got
No,
inside.
see, he's a little dirty from his hands and his head. This guy's
Yeah.
look at his little skeeters.
I know, right? Let's.
No, stop. It's my Hunter's Hangouts. It's my...
You gonna box him now? Dang, dude. Oh, whoa. So you catch these hands?
Catch his hands.
Whoa, okay, Jill. Let him, hey,
Catch
stop.
his hands.
Let him blow up. Hold on, he's almost up now. Whoa.
Yay.
Look at him. Look at this guy.
No, we gotta get him forward. You wanna catch his hands, too?
Okay, no more catching hands, Hunter. No more catching hands, Hunter. Get him to the window.
We got all of them on.
All right. Okay, we moved the chili snowman
Yeah,
to the other front window so Santa can see him because he's about to come with a fire truck.
Right now?
No, like another probably like 15 minutes maybe. He's coming. He's getting close. There he is.
Where?
No, the snowman's up. We're gonna go get him ready. Who's coming?
Santa!
That's right. We're gonna go see him. He's gonna be on the fire truck. You gonna go wake up Mom? Oh, she's gonna be mad. She's not a morning person. Let's get her. Oh, Joss, what do you think? This fool is just hang gliding with Sonic. All right, let's get Mom up. Hunter, you excited? He's coming. I can hear a siren.
Mom, I want you to be close to me.
Oh, I can hear him. Some of the kids are getting ready. He's gonna be. Are you gonna catch some candy canes?
Yeah. What happens if he throws them and I catch it?
That'd be awesome.
Wait, is you want to throw a different one?
Got all of our stuff up. The sun is out.
Do you remember the nerd ones?
Let's get ready for him. He's coming. Oh, here comes the beginning, Hunter.
Is he coming?
There's the big fire truck. You see it, Hunter? There's 2 trucks right
That sounds like a rubber chicken.
now. A rubber chicken?
Yeah. And they screamed, you remember?
Uh-huh.
Chicken.
Here, stand up. Stand up. You excited? Here they come. Come on, Hunter, get up.
Yes! Don't be scared.
Oh, here it comes.
Wave.
Oh, you waving? Oh, here comes the big fire truck. Whoa. Look, there's Santa. I see him. Look, Hunter. You see him?
He's going.
He's still riding. Wow. He must be hot in that suit today. Sounds like a rubber chicken. Is it? Whoa. Was that cool? Man, everybody got.
I wanted a candy cane. Last year, did you throw candy canes? Hear that?
Was that cool? Do you still hear him? Sounds like a rubber chicken.
No, it sounds like
I want a candy cane.
We're gonna get some.
Santa.
We're gonna get some, bud. Hey, let's
I want a gonna go run down for him.
You gonna chase them?
Yeah.
Go!
No.
Go, go! All the way across.
Can I go get him?
Well, they're too fast, dude.
Fast.
And it's kind of hot. It's kind of hot today. It's gonna be cold in like 2 days, I think. Okay?
You know why? But they didn't throw candy cans.
What's that? Because they melt today?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably so.
That's what I was gonna say.
Let's
I want a candy.
let's go get Joss. Let's go tell him. Come on.
Thanks for coming to Hunter's Hangouts. See you next time. Bye.
That's right. And then say we saw Santa on the fire truck today, right?
Yep.
All right. You ready? Let's go get something. Let's get into something fun today. All right?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Dave and Buster's.
Dave and Buster's. All right. Say let's go make a video.
We might make a video of that.
Let's make a video. All right. Say see you next time.
Bye. And there's gonna be a new video coming out today.
That's right.
Another one today.
We'll go get another Sonic or something, right?
Yeah, maybe the Tails or Knuckles.
Well, let's get Tails and Knuckles. All right.
Yeah, because you remember I saved all my money for them.
That's right. Okay, so see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.